Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I want to show you how to do video face swapping, and I'm going to show you how to do it for free. That's right, this is free AI at the moment. There's no cost to this, and you'll see here that I've got the Leonardo DiCaprio, but I've kind of spliced him in with Tom Cruise, and yeah, it's done a pretty good job. It's free. It's also like 2 clicks. That's all you need to do. So enough of the talk. Let's get right into this. The first step, and I'll show you right here, is you want to go to swapface.org. So I'm just going to put this, I'm going to put a link in the description, swapface.org. You'll see here that I'm on there. When you do that, you'll see that it's got download for Windows. This only currently works on Windows. It doesn't work on Mac. If you want to use a Mac, I'll show you in another video, another tool that will work for that. This is PC only at the moment. Okay, once you've downloaded it, again, keep in mind that it's totally free for now. You're going to be able, you'll have to run through an install. And once it's installed, you're going to see this right here. This is the program. So it starts off on Stream Face Swap. So if you want to do streaming and you want to, swap your face in for one of these models or somebody else, go ahead and do that. But in this one, and it also does picture face swap as well. But for this one, we're going to do video face swap. Once you're logged in, you'll see a whole bunch of options like uploading your own video, which works great. But for this tutorial, I just want to show you really quickly how to do it, and then I'll let you guys play around with it, of course, later. So for this one, I'm going to select one of these pre-built ones. I'm going to click on the infamous Leonardo DiCaprio Great Gatsby thing going on here. And then when I do that, it allows me to pick a face to swap. So I'm going to swap out, what, you want to swap out Toby? Let's swap out Toby. Okay, so we're going to swap out Toby Maguire. I'm going to click choose. And then on the left side,